So what's the past 3 months look like for you?
Well, from inception to where we are now has been a heck of a journey, and it's only been a couple of months, so I'm sure we've got some much bigger challenges coming up. And like the famous Rob Moore once said, the bigger kind of the problems you get, it's really a sign of kind of how well you're doing, and you're generally presented with even bigger problems as a reward from solving your original problems. That's ringing really true, but yeah, it's been really good. As I said, growth has obviously been the main thing to manage and to handle in these last few months. But yeah, if we're growing, it's a sign that we're doing something well.
And how's that made you feel?
Proud is a lot of it. I'd say if I had to choose two different emotions of what I've felt in the last couple of months, it's proud and stressed. So yeah, just a bit of stress for moving into relative unknown. As I say, you can learn all the theory you want, you can kind of practice as much as you want in a kind of a part-time way, but until you're actually doing it full-time and properly investing, there's nothing that really anybody can teach you unless you're actually on the ground doing it yourself, getting stuck and being in these actual old grotty stinky buildings, translating that into a set of numbers, which will obviously translate into a successful investment. So it's been really interesting piecing all the puzzles, pulling all those pieces of the puzzle together to kind of make it a sellable product. And yeah, it's been really good seeing that take shape, because certainly something we found, and hopefully touch wood will kind of continue to do, is see that there are very few companies like ours in the property industry who are able to bring those kind of grotty old properties together, and as it's sometimes pretty decent properties, into an investment pack which is sellable onto other property investors in kind of a good, friendly, understandable way, which we do. And I'd like to think it's one of our unique points, which hopefully we can carry on expanding.
And if you could describe the growth process in one word, what would that word be?
The growth process in one word. What? Yeah, what's probably the one. Firstly, just crushing some of the challenges that have come our way. Obviously, our direction, our strategy, and kind of plan for certainly the end of 2017 and going into 2018, that's caused a lot of people to say, you want to do what? But that's how we plan to grow. And I think it's a case of justifying our plans whenever somebody says, you want to do what? Or you want to borrow how much? It's, well, this is how we got to that number, and this is what we want to do, and this is what we're going to do. And yeah, so I said, I think what is probably my word.